Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show to you how to create a fade effect onto your text using Canva application. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Canva and then create a blank page or a new project and then open it up. And here on this blank page, you just need to insert a text onto it. Like this. I'm insert this text and then change the font of the text onto a bolder font. Like this. The next step, you just need to increase the size of it as you want and change the color of the text onto the color that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to use this blue color. And for the background, you just need to change the color of the background too onto the exact color that you want. So for me, I'm going to use maybe this yellow color. And then when you done adjust the every element onto this page by changing the color of it. So previously we already changing the background color and the text color. The next step, you just need to insert a shape onto this page. For me, I'm going to use this shape, this one. And now the next step, you just need to change the color of the shape onto a gradient color. Okay, the way to do that, you just need to click the shape like this. Click it and then click this color button. And now open the color button windows and go to the swipe up to go to the gradient section, this one, and then you click the gradient style that you want or the gradient color that you want, and then open again and click the gradient color and then change the style onto this second style, this one. And for the color, you need to change the color as same as the background color, like this. Go back, change again and click it again. For this color, changing it onto the same color as the background too. Go back, this one I'm going to put it on this black color and decrease the transparency of the black color, just like this. Okay, done. The next step, you just need to increase the size of it and move the position on top of the text, just like this. Increase the size of the gradient element, like this. Now you just need to positioning it and make it look like it's fading, have this fading effect. Okay. When you're done positioning it, and as you can see it's not fade enough, you can just duplicate the gradient and adjust the position one more time. Duplicate it again and finish. Now the next step, if you want to make it more look cool, you can insert a new text on top of the gradient. So I'm going to insert this text and change the font onto this classic folk regular. The next step, I'm going to change the color of the font onto a white color, just like this. Okay, when you're done, you just need to increase the size of it and positioning it on the exact position that you want. And this is the final result of it. As you can see, the text on behind of the channel text, it's look like it's fading out onto the background. And that's the way how to create this effect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.